Imagine you're selling a product on Amazon, but Amazon has decided to suppress your listing. What does that mean and how can you solve this problem? Let me show you. So you checked your Amazon inventory and you found that one of your products has search suppressed, but you also checked your inventory and it says active. So you decided to ignore it. Well, big mistake, because what search suppressed essentially means is Amazon is suppressing your products from being searched or being shown on the search page results. And if customers cannot see your product, then customers cannot buy your product. So it's a very big problem. Why does Amazon search suppress your products and how can you solve the problem? So this is an example of products that I added in order to get them to be search suppressed so that I can do this video for you. So as you can see here, it says search suppressed. So the first thing to do would be to go into your inventory dashboard, just like we are here, and then look at your inventory. If you have a lot of products, then it's not going to be easy for you to do this manually. So what you would need to do is click on here, search suppressed and inactive listings. Now, as you can see here, I can see that we have 7 ASINs, 7 products that are search suppressed, and 7 that are inactive because they're out of stock. This is not what we're focusing on today. We're focusing on search suppressed. So since there are search suppressed, I know the reason why, because Amazon is requiring more information. So what normally needs to happen is you would actually need to take the ASIN, which you will see in the product detail right here. So you'll take the ASIN number and you'll go back to your inventory and search for that product. So that's what I exactly did. I went into the manage inventory, I put the ASIN, and here is the product, and it says search suppressed. The next step would be to figure out why it's search suppressed. You simply need to click on edit. Now I'm on the product detail page, and as you can see, there is an exclamation mark, a red exclamation mark that explains to me what is missing, what is wrong with this listing, so that I can get it back to being active rather than search suppressed, or at least out of stock. And as you can see here, there are no images. I did this on purpose. So there are no images. You might have the same thing related to your images, but it might say that the image doesn't follow Amazon's guidelines. So you might need to change the main image as an example. So it could be a lot of things, but always search for these exclamation points and simply fix any wrongdoings. And then all you need to do is click save and finish, and hopefully it will be done. Now remember, the only way to contact us is through our website, www.assmiddleeast.org, or in the description box of this video, you'll also find some links. Do not answer any scammers trying to pretend to be us. Now, the main reasons why Amazon might decide to suppress your listings, well, to be quite honest, there are several reasons, and you need to find out by yourself, but most commonly, number 1 would be the images. There's either no images or there's something wrong with the images. Number 2, incomplete or incorrect product description. Number 3, incomplete or incorrect product information. And number 4 could be a duplicate listing. If there is another listing on the Amazon catalog that is very similar to yours or the same as yours, then they were search suppressed, and then there's more things that you need to do in order to get it no more search suppressed and back to active so that customers can find it and buy it. If you want to learn a little bit more about STR, strike-through price, then go ahead and watch this video in the Amazon Decoded series. I'll leave the whole series right here in the cards, or you'll also find the link to watch all of the playlist of Amazon Decoded right here on our YouTube channel in the description box of this video. And I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.